Welcome back to the Windows API Tricks for WinForms series. In this part, we're diving into native Windows Toast notifications, those modern pop-ups that appear in the bottom right corner of your screen, just like real Windows system alerts. And the best part is, we'll do it entirely in C#, using WinForms and a simple NuGet package, without touching any Windows metadata files. Normally, to send native toasts from a WinForms or WPF app, you'd need to reference the Windows Win file, which is part of the Windows SDK. That file provides access to the Windows runtime APIs that handle notifications. But setting that up is often messy. It requires adding the SDK reference manually, sometimes adjusting the project type, and it doesn't always play nicely with older .NET Framework or mixed projects. Instead, we'll use a much simpler approach. The Microsoft Toolkit OOP Notifications NuGet package. It's lightweight, works in any modern .NET app, and provides a friendly C# API to build and show toast notifications with just a few lines of code. Under the hood, it still uses the Windows notification system, so the result looks and feels completely native. First, open your project in Visual Studio and install the NuGet package. Microsoft Toolkit OOP Notifications. You can do that using the NuGet Package Manager, or by running this command in the Package Manager console. Once that's installed, we can create a small helper class to make showing notifications easy. This helper uses the Toast Content Builder class from the toolkit to build the notification with optional icon and sound support. If you pass an icon path, it'll show your custom app logo in the toast. If play sound is set to false, the toast appears silently. When you click the button, you'll see a native Windows toast appear with your title, message, and icon. It even integrates automatically into the Windows Notification Center. This approach is clean, modern, and works out of the box with WinForms, WPF, or even console apps. In a follow-up video, we'll also look at how to use the Windows Win reference for more advanced notification features, like custom buttons, input fields, and handling activation events when a user clicks the toast. So that's it for native toast notifications using the Windows API and WinForms. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the previous parts of this series for more Windows API tricks and WinForms enhancements. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep coding and have fun.